Hi friends, my name is Ritu and this video is about career counseling. So there are so many students out there who don't know what to do after graduation, and as per today's situation you might be thinking what to do once the lockdown is over. So let's begin. So I'll start with the subject English. So the language English, I mean there are so many people who will think that if I'll be able to speak English, if I'll be able to crack the interview. So guys, speaking English is no big deal. और अगर आपको ऐसे लग रहा है कि यार अगर इंग्लिश मुझे नहीं आती तो मुझे जॉब कैसे मिलेगी, क्या मैं किसी बड़ी कंपनी में अप्लाई कर सकता हूँ जॉब के लिए, या फिर मैं अपने करियर के साथ क्या करूँ. सो गाइज हियर इज़ द आंसर. इंग्लिश सीखना जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं है. हाँ, इंग्लिश इज़ अ ग्लोबल लैंग्वेज, बट ऐसे भी कुछ प्रोफेशन है जहाँ पर इंग्लिश बोलना मैंडेटरी नहीं है, या फिर इंग्लिश जो है वो आपकी फ्लुएंट ही होना है. आपको बताऊँगी कुछ ऐसी इंडस्ट्रीज़ जहाँ पर आप काम कर सकते हो, आप अपना करियर स्टार्ट कर सकते हो, वो भी विदाउट स्पीकिंग फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश. ओके, तो हमारे देश में कई सारी मीडिया है जो कि हिंदी लैंग्वेज बोलते हैं, जिस पर इंग्लिश सीरियल्स नहीं चलते. तो ये जो होते हैं चैनल्स, इनका जो बैक ऑफिस का काम होता है, तो जैसे कि रीजनल लैंग्वेज वाले भी चैनल्स होते हैं जो कि कई मीडिया कंपनीज चलाती है, उनका बैक ऑफिस का काम देखती है. तो आप ऐसे कुछ मीडिया कंपनीज़ में अप्लाई कर सकते हो जहाँ की आपको इंग्लिश बोलना मैंडेटरी नहीं है और आपको रीजनल लैंग्वेज जो है वो समझनी है और उसका काम करना है. तो ये हुआ आपके लिए एक करियर ऑप्शन. The second thing is about people who are doing accounts. So people who are in accounts, who are really good in accounts at the time of your college time, so let me tell you that you guys can go for a CA program. So CA is basically, as you all know, it's chartered accountancy. Chartered, when you go for CA, for the program CA, you become a chartered accountant. So if you are really good in accounts and in finance, you can go for CA. So there are so many people, even I was a student, they want to make their career in the field of HR and they don't know how to start. And if you guys are not sure that if you'll be able to become HR after graduation or if MBA is needed, so let me tell you guys, MBA is not mandatory in many companies if you want to become HR. So well, nowadays in BMS we have this specialization named HR. So you have retail management, HR, marketing, and I think there are few other which some colleges are offering. So if you want to make your career in HR, and if you are thinking that if I want to go for MBA or MMS, or I can directly start my career, here is the answer: yes, you can directly start your career in the field of HR. So there are few companies which give which offer jobs in the field of HR for people who are graduated. So there are so many companies which have two options. So they have options like people who are MBA, and then for people who are just graduates. So if you're a graduate and if you want to start working in the field of HR, go for it. You can search your answer. There are so many websites which provides job, for people who are studying HR in the graduation. And if you want to make your career after MBA or after MMS, then let me tell you guys, you can get a good job even after that. And if you're not getting it, if you still have any questions, you can ask those questions in the comment box. So for people who are still confused about what to do after graduation, so guys, you can go for two courses. So one is Master of Business Administration and second is MMS, which is Masters of Management Studies. So if you are pursuing BMS, you can either go for MMS or for MBA. So both the courses are really good, and there are so many companies, there are multiple companies which offer jobs for MMS as well as for MBA students. So don't think that if you're doing MMS and MMS is not MBA, if you'll be able to get job with MMS or not. Yes, you can get a good job with MMS as well. So doing MBA is really not mandatory, but if you are really, if you want to do MBA, you can still go for it, because there are so many companies which offer jobs only for MBA and not for graduates. But there are few companies which offers jobs to graduates as well. So you'll always have two ways. You can either go for option A or for option B. So guys, if you have any questions, or if you want me to cover another topic, make, so you can comment it in the comment box, and I will try to answer your questions. I will try to make another video for all of you. So if you have any questions, do ask me in the comment box. Thank you so much.